Hello everyone, Avneet this side from Car Bali Nagar. Today we have installed Onkyo X-qd1000 in Hyundai Aura. This is a 9 inches full-fledged Android screen that has been installed in the car along with a proper frame. You can check out the fitment of this stereo. This stereo has been mounted along with a proper frame in the car, which is in glossy black finish, adding a good look to the car interior. Onkyo is a Japanese brand which is known for many years in India as well as in other countries. If you wish to install this stereo in your car, you can directly contact us. Our mobile number is mentioned below. All over India, delivery facility is also available in case if you are from any another state. Talking about the specifications of this head unit, this screen comes along with 2 GB of RAM, 32 GB of storage, IPS panel and Gorilla Glass. You can also check out the picture clarity of this video that I have played on the screen. This is a full HD quality video. The main benefit of IPS display in screen is that if we watch from any angle, we will get a clear view of the screen. This screen has 2.5 IPS display. We are also provided with picture-in-picture mode in the stereo, using which multitasking is made easier. At the same time, we can access multiple applications. The size of the video that was playing on the screen can also be adjusted according to a requirement. In this screen, we are also provided with multiple applications such as Play Store, Google Maps and many more. We are also provided with DSP settings that is also available. By using these settings, we can directly enhance our sound quality. DSP stands for Digital Sound Processor. In this, a lot of modes are available which can be used according to a requirement. Each and every point of sound can also be adjusted. And we are also provided with ASP setting in which a lot of preloaded modes are also there. And this is the balance and fader option which can be used to check whether all the speakers are working in car or not. The touch response of the screen remains flawless due to presence of capacitive touch in it. In this screen, we are also provided with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which can be easily accessed by using the Z-Link 5 application if that is available on the screen. The only thing that we are required to do in order to access wireless CarPlay or Android Auto is to connect our phone Bluetooth along with the stereo, after which all the data would be directly synced. This stereo also supports wired connection as well. After installation of the stereo, all the original features that are available in the car have proper functionality along with the stereo, like all the steering control keys which were provided in this car are working perfectly and have been synced along with this device. In the installation of the stereo in the car, there is no wire cutting that is to be done. Everything that is done is totally coupler to coupler fitment. If you wish to install the stereo, it can be easily installed in your car without any type of wire cutting. At last, this is the LED animation feature through which we can directly change the color of key lights that are available in the screen. By using this feature, automatically the color would be changed. And we can also choose for a single color if we require, like as you can check out. So these all are the features which are available in the stereo.